Okay, so these videos that my camera can take are really, really short because I have no other way to record my voice. And you guys don't get to look at my face. Ha 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 ha. So I'm going to have to probably do this in a couple parts because it's only like 1:30 that I can record on this thing at one time. Anyway, so let's take this one step at a time. My real name is Molly, but I don't like it, so I have my friends call me Momo or Mo, also known as Amelia. And hi to my awesome forum family, Arthur and Alfie and Leah, who is also Arthur, duh, and Romano and all the awesome people in Lewitt. And all the awesome people who are in the prank war. Let's see, I stumbled upon this forum through LiveJournal, of course, because I'm a crazy lurker on the Hetalia community and submitter, I guess. And I play Amelia, and I picked her because she's a little less mentally retarded than Alfred, even though I love Alfred and he's not that stupid, but he can get there. And I just love the America personality, because that's pretty much my personality. So I like playing them because they're so much like me. I'm loud and obnoxious, and even if you don't know my name, you know me as, oh my god, she's that girl that's crazy and just runs around and hugs people. So that's why I picked Amelia, and I love playing her.